All of the content contained in this webcast is for informational purposes only. The investments and strategies contained in this webcast may not be suitable for you. Please consult your own independent financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Welcome back, traders. Second portion of our show, Market Movers. Got quite a few things here in our radar. So let's start with AIG, selling some shares of an Asian investment to repay debt. You've had a pre-market range from 29.84 to 29.40. This $30 level is just looming very, very large in this stock. If in fact it could break above there, we could be going into uncharted ground here. Haven't seen these levels in quite a long time. Coming back on the downside, if that pre-market low at 29.40 doesn't hold, we really don't have much support until Friday's low at 28.43. Our next market mover, GM here, delivering some bad news to the street. It's going to halt productions of its Volt to ease a backlog. Never a good sign for when a car company has to stop production of a car because they got too many in the warehouse. This thing has really been bumping up against 27. It did get above there earlier in in late February. But since then, the sellers have really stepped down from the 27.55 that it hit, and now really running into problems in the mid 27s. I don't think you can look for another leg up in this stock until we can get above and close that $27 level. Coming back on the downside, you do have a couple lows here, one at 26.15 and one at 26.36. But I'd use that 26.10 number, which is the 4-day low. If in fact it cannot hold that 26.10, GM may be poised to take back quite a bit of the move it's had since hitting $19 back in December. Moving on to our next market mover, BP, using a trust to settle claims from the oil spill. News makes it sound like $20 billion's a drop in the bucket, like they put that money away. They knew we were going to have to pay it. This stock, you could have a breakout. It's either a breakout or a fake out here above 48, folks. It hit it several times last week and the week before, bumped against it, never managed to close above it. Now you're popping above it in the pre-market. I believe it did get as high as 48.34 and then had a straight print at 47.50. If that 47.50 doesn't hold, I expect it just to meander back down to that double bottom there, 47.28, 47.31, and major support at 47.02. But this stock should at least hold that $48 level, at least for the first 15 minutes, to confirm a breakout into new ground. Moving on to our next stock, ITT. Tried to satisfy investors by spinning off parts of the company, and now their earnings really take a hit as a result of the cost of those recent spin-offs. So I bet you investors are scratching their heads now. Looking at the pre-market activity, it's pretty strange. This thing is just made a couple trades at 22. Very, very, very good support at 22. You had these lows back in February. So the 22 can hold. Perhaps you get a little pop up. If not, the stock could easily see the $21 level. With the few trades in the pre-market, it's really hard to get an idea where the resistance would be. Although if it really did go into rally mode, 23.85 was Friday's low, but certainly doesn't look like that's going to come into play. The rest of the market movers, just going to talk a little bit about silver and gold here. The silver ETF, after having that disastrous day on Wednesday, has recovered, got back up to the old resistance that was in the mid 34s. Just kind of been drifting back down. Keep a real close eye on this 32.90. That's been the low. We are a buck away from there. It did sniff 33 in the pre-market. If that level could hold the 32.90 to 33, perhaps that one-day move was just an aberration, and that was the correction. And we're heading back up over the $35 level. Kind of a similar technical formation with the GLD. After making the low on the big down day, it has not been able to approach that level. A little bit better than the silver. You got a nice double bottom here at 165.63 and 165.75 in the GLD. Looks like it's poised to test that. Did trade quite a bit through that in the pre-market, so let's really keep an eye on this 164 for the longer-term investors. That's our market movers, folks. That's what we have on the radar. We will be back with you tomorrow.